Here are 5 signs your Volkswagen Jetta transmission is failing. If you drive a Volkswagen Jetta, these 5 signs can show you that your transmission could be starting to fail. Number 1 is delayed engagement. You shift into drive or reverse, but the car takes a second or two before it actually moves. Number 2 is hard or jerky shifting. If the Jetta bangs into gear, shifts roughly, or suddenly starts shifting harder than normal, don't ignore it. The third thing is slipping. That's when the RPM shoot up, but the car doesn't accelerate like it should. That's a classic transmission warning sign. Number 4 is you hear strange noises. Things like whining, humming, dunking noises, and grinding. Those things that change when the transmission shifts could mean internal wear. And number 5, the transmission fluid leaks. If you notice reddish or dark fluid underneath the car, go and get it checked out before a small problem turns into an expensive repair. One of these symptoms alone doesn't automatically mean you need a new transmission, but if you're experiencing several of them, get the Jetta diagnosed as soon as possible. Follow me for more Volkswagen Jetta repair tips.